Hey guys, welcome back to All Things with Wheels. Today we're going to be seeing how fast the Arrma Vorteks 3S BLX's bone stock. We're going to be running a 30C 4000 milliamp hour battery. So without further ado, let's go. So we have the speed meter zeroed out. We're going to hit record. Okay, so it's at 0 miles per hour, so let's pop the body on. We're going to take it all the way down to the end. Make sure my trim is perfect. Down nice and far. Here we go. Full throttle. Nice. Brake. Go down a little bit farther this time. Okay, here comes the car. Okay, we're gonna bring it back, guys, and just see what we hit. I mean, that was full for a good solid 10 or 15 seconds. All right. Pop the body pins out. Okay, 51 miles per hour. That's what it says right there. You see it? 51 miles per hour. So that's what we hit. Stock gears, a 30C battery, not very high discharge. The next speedrun video will be with the upgrade pinion. It will be with a much higher discharge battery. So 51 out of the box is not bad. It claims 60 on the box. So that is with the optional pinion, do not forget. So that's gonna be all with this video. Like, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, guys, I hope you enjoyed.